Welcome students. This is the first problem of today's video. It says that if square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole to the power x plus square root of 3 minus square root of 2 whole to the power x equal to 10, then you have to find out the value of x. So how to solve these type of problem? Let us see. Let us consider root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x equal to a. Say. Now see, we have another observation over here. Now see root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. What is this? A plus b into a minus b formula. So this will be root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now this is nothing but root 3 whole square is 3, root 2 whole square is 2, that is equal to 1. So root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2, you get that equal to 1. So if it is equal to 1 from here, therefore what do you get? Root 3 minus root 2, sorry, root 3 plus root 2, or rather you can say root 3 minus root 2 equal to 1 by root 3 plus root 2. See, from here root 3 minus root 2, this one is equal to, this will go that side. If this 2 is, multiplication of this 2 is equal to 1, then root 3 minus root 2 is equal to 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Simple. Which is equal to root 3 plus root 2 inverse. So you can tell this is equal to root 3 plus root 2 inverse 1 by something is whole to the power minus 1, or root 3 minus root 2 whole to the power x equal to, now both sides if we perform whole to the power x, then we have this one as root 3 plus root 2 inverse whole to the power x. Now we can interchange this a to the power, sorry, suppose you have, or a to the power n to the power m, you can write this one as a to the power m whole to the power n. We can interchange this two because that will be ultimately, it will be multiplied in the product form. So you can write a to the power n to the power m equal to a to the power m to the power n. Same thing here also, we can interchange this two. We can write this one as equal to root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x to the power minus 1. Same thing. Now see, root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x, we had considered this one to be a. So if this is a, then you have this as a inverse. So root 3 minus root 2 whole to the power a, that is nothing but a inverse. Now coming to the problem, by problem what is given? Root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x plus root 3 minus root 2 whole to the power x equal to 10. So this one we had already considered to be a, plus this one we got a inverse equal to 10, which implies, or a plus a inverse means 1 by a equal to 10, or now let us do the LCM, a square plus 1 by a equal to 10, or a square plus 1 equal to 10a. Now bring this 10a this side, you have or a square minus 10a plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is nothing but a quadratic equation. You can solve the quadratic equation using Sridhar Acharya's formula. Now let us apply that formula. So this will be equal to a equal to minus of this, that is plus 10 plus minus root over b square minus 10 whole square, that is 100 minus 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4 divided by 2, or a equal to 10 plus minus square root of, now 100 minus 4, that is 96 divided by 2. So what is square root of 96? See, square root of 96 can be written as 10 plus minus, we can write 96 as 16 into 6. What is 16 into 6? 16. See, 16 into 6 is 36, 3, 96. So you can write this one as 16 into 6. Now if it is 16 into 6 divided by 2, square root of 16 is what? Square root of 16 is 4. So this one can be written as equal to 10 plus minus 4 square root of 6 by 2, which is equal to 5 plus minus 2 root 6. So the value of A, what you are getting is 5 plus minus 2 root 6. So as of now, we considered root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x equal to A, and considering that one, we obtained that A is equal to 5 plus minus 2 square root of 6. So you obtained two different values of A. So let us consider at first, if A equal to 5 plus 2 root 6, what will happen over here? See, if A is 5 plus 2 root 6, we can write this one as, or A equal to 5 means what? 3 plus 2 plus 2, 6 can be written as 3 into 2, or A equal to, this is nothing but root 3, 3 means root 3 whole square, plus 2 into, this one we can write root 3 into root 2, plus 2 we can write square root of 2 whole square. Okay, so we have just adjusted these 5, root 6 and all these things in such a way such that it comes in this form. Now this is nothing but a square form. See, you can write this one as root 3 plus root 2 whole square. See, root 3 plus root 2 whole square means what? Root 3 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square. This is nothing but what we had obtained from this line, and this is nothing but what we had obtained from this line. 5, we have broken up 5 into 3 plus 2, 6 into root 3 into root 3 and so on, and ultimately we received, or A equal to this one. Now what is A? A is nothing but root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x. So root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x equal to root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power 2. Now these bases are same. If the bases are same, then the powers also should equate, that is x equal to 2. So if we consider A equal to 5 plus root 2 plus 2 root 6, then we obtain x equal to 2. So considering A equal to 5 plus 2 root 6, we obtain x equal to 2. Now let us consider A equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Same procedure. Therefore, A equal to 5 can be written as 3 plus 2 minus 2 into root 3 into root 2, which is nothing but, apply the same procedure as before. This is nothing but root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 into root 2. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is nothing but root 3 minus root 2 whole square. Now see, root 3 minus root 2, that is nothing but, we also had obtained root 3 minus root 2 equal to root 3 plus root 2 inverse. Root 3 minus root 2 equal to root 3 plus root 2 inverse. We had obtained this one. If you have missed that one, you can skip back to the video and see it. Root 3 minus root 2 we had obtained, that is equal to root 3 plus root 2 inverse. So replacing that, again we obtain, that is equal to, now this can be multiplied. So root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power minus 2. or a equal to this, or a equal to this, or a equal to this ultimately, or a means what? This root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x. So now see, the bases are equal, both sides you have root 3 plus root 2 and the powers at x and minus 2. So if you equate the powers, therefore we have x equal to minus 2. Similarly, if you consider a as 5 minus 2 root 6, you have x equal to minus 2. So these are the two solutions of this problem. In this problem, you had to find out the value of x when this is given. So the value of x, what we had found, are 2 and minus 2. My dear students, if you have understood the problems discussed in today's video, do share this video with your friends, like my video, follow my page, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.